What's up guys, this is Fanboy Was Awesome and I'm back with an investigation of how long it takes to fill up tanks with the water fountain at our school. I hope you enjoyed this and just sit back, relax, chill and watch, listen and just keep on clicking the mouse whenever you feel like it. Okay, thank you. So, what is our investigation? Our investigation is to work out how long it takes to fill up different tanks, which includes imaginary and real tanks. So what's the purpose of our investigation? So our purpose is to create the best presentation and get the most detailed explanation of our investigation. If I win this, I will get the Shipley's donuts, and that's awesome, okay? I want that donut so badly. So how are we going to do this? Firstly, we're going to measure out the pressure, which is the time it takes up to fill, for example, 100 ml of the water fountain. Then we're going to convert the ml into centimeters cubed. Thirdly, we're going to measure the volume of the tank, but only if it's real. And lastly, we're going to work out the time by dividing the volume of the tank by the ml and multiplying it by the time. So I've explained all the rules. Now let's get started. So this is how we measure the pressure. We measure the pressure by timing how long it took us to fill up 100 ml. And we took 3 measurings of it. One was 3.69 seconds, the second was 4.13 seconds, and the third one was 4.34 seconds. So next we worked out the mean of the 3 numbers, and the mean was 4.053 recurring, which we rounded it to 4 seconds. So these were 2 of our real tanks. But firstly, we need to work out the volume of these 2 tanks. So the first one, the round cup thing, was 346 cm cubed, which exactly equals to 346 ml. The second tank was a cube, which was 729 centimeters cubed, which is exactly 729 ml. Working out the time needed us to divide the volume of the containers by 100 and multiplying it by 4. This is because if we divided it by 100, that means how many times we had to do it by 4, because we at first measured the pressure of the water fountain with 100 ml. So yeah. So after we checked, and then guess what? We got it right. Yay! So this was our imaginary shape. So we had to convert the inches to centimeters first. So 1 inch was 2.54 centimeters, meaning that 10 inches was 25.4 centimeters, and 45 inches was 114.3 centimeters. So the second thing was we had to find out the formula of a regular octagon, so we can multiply the regular octagon by the height of the octagonal prism. So the volume in the end was 356,056.8494 ml. So next we changed it to time. So we had to divide the number by 100 and times it by 4, which was rounded to 3 hours and 58 minutes. So I got some questions to test you on. You can use the web to search up the formula of these, but don't actually use it to do it. Do the thing, do the maths yourself. Don't do it on the internet. So the first one is, what is the volume of a hexagonal prism with side length 90 centimeters and height 300 centimeters? The second one is, what is the volume of a pentagonal prism with side length 45 centimeters and height 89 meters? What is the volume of a decagonal prism with side 35 centimeters and height 80 centimeters? The fourth one was, what is the volume of a cylinder with diameter 40 centimeters and height 68 centimeters? So are you done? Well, guess what? Ready or not, here comes the answer. So here are the answers. The first one was rounded, so there was 6.31 times 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cubed. The second one was 3.1 times 10 to the power of 7 centimeters cubed. The third one was 7.54 times 10 to the power of 5 centimeters cubed. And the fourth one was 85,451.32 centimeters cubed. Did you get them all right? Well, this is the end, so thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this very much, and I hope this also helped you a lot in your future life. So, if you have any questions or comments, or you just want to visit my blog again, you can just go on it. It's fanwoo.edublogs.org. So thanks again. Bye. I'm Fanwoo is awesome, and see you next time.